Hello, how are you guys? I'm gonna let it get started a little bit as Instagram starts the getting people to come in and look. So I'm excited because today I have a tripod, and I have not had a tripod, and I did not realize how it made my life so much easier. So now I'm able to really talk to you guys. So the purpose of this live is because over the weekend I created a product simple task card set, but it goes all the way from levels A, guided reading levels A, to guided reading levels N. But I created it has a pink little diamond shimmer behind it because I wanted to match my little logo. But these could be used in small groups for guided reading. They can be used for one-on-ones. They can be used for reading response if you just want to have the kids write something in. All right, so I have levels A through E. I also have levels K through N, and on each sheet there's 4 task cards, so there's about a total of 20 prompts. Okay, what I'm going to do is show you how to use the daily independent reading checklist. Boom! All right, so what you're going to do is, it's basically a guide for you to plan out your whole conferring, or particularly for one child. You can't do this for a whole entire class, but on it you'll see it is organized as such. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, that's what you have right here. You'll use your card. You have your pre-conference notes. When you think of your pre-conference, think about basically explaining what the task is, okay? And think about any teaching point that you need to give them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to complete the checklist using Bonk's Bad Dream. All right, this is actually a book that I'm reading now with one of my small groups. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, it says book title and level. So my book title is Bonk's Bad Dream. My independent reading task. So in this chart, it says, what small tasks will the child complete during or after the reading to show they've established comprehension? I will complete the post-conference when they're done, and I'll look at their answer. One thing I would do at this point, though, in the pre-conference, I will go ahead and have the answer that I'm already looking for, so they don't give you something just kind of off the wall. So let's recap. What I've done is I have put the title of my book, I have my task, I have my teaching point for that child for this task, and then right here, I'm gonna fill this in after my conference, okay? So let's go again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I didn't do Friday. Let the kids breathe, okay? Let them live a little bit. If you are interested in grabbing the free checklist, or you're interested in grabbing the task cards, they're good. I'm not just saying that because I made them. They're really good. The link for the task cards are in my bio. They're only $5, so just do what you gotta do. All right, guys, so I will see you later.